Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'm going to teach you about not null constraint and its functionality whenever we are applying not null to a particular column, how it is going to be performing while inserting of the data or all about to interacting with this particular not null column. Well, let's see by creating a simple table which is having two parameters or three, like three column names and one column which is having with the not null constraint will apply, and passing the empty data parameters, how it's going to be interacting with us. Let's check it. Create table. Name of the table, it is a person, and open and end the parenthesis. Now the ID as an int, taking value of and here, and specifically it's a primary key. You can take it as a not null, null. I'm applying here also, and primary key, comma, and the thing here, product ID, product underscore ID, column name, and this is also int, not null. This is also product ID. I'm specifying here not null. Product ID I have given this one. Product underscore name of the product, where cat 200 digits of 200 I'm specifying here, and that's it. My table is full. Now I applied here product ID is not null, and primary key anyhow I am give the number here, and the second column you see here product ID, it's an int, means integer value. The length of 10 I have chosen here, and the not null is applied. So it should be, we have to enter the data into this particular column. That is the not null value. Means not null means we have to enter the data in this particular column. If not entered, what happens? We'll see now. By creating, go here and create the table. Successfully table is created with the person. Now this person's table. Let's see now. Yes, not this one. We have created a table called person only. Persons is already available. Person table we have created. Let's see by refreshing this. Yes, this is the table we have created. Person, product ID and product. Now what I am preparing my query to inserting data of, I am inserting ID and product name only. I am ignoring, especially we have a design for product underscore ID. That is the not null column, whereas I am ignoring to transmitting the data of product ID here. Product name and ID I am forwarding. What happens? The ID is 1, the numeric value, and the product name I am inserting as like Apple. I can right? First and last product ID I have ignored here on insert statement as well. What happens now? Run the query, go here. Now check here. Insert into person ID values 1 and Apple. This is the insert query statement we have written. Error it's throwing. What its MySQL said, it is field product underscore ID doesn't have a default value. It's not having a default value, whereas we have a specified not null. So we have to plan to insert, while preparing an insert query, we have to send any of the data value to that particular column. Otherwise, it won't accept any insert rows without satisfying such a not null column applied columns. The constraint of not null, if we applied a particular column, we have to send a particular data to this particular column. Otherwise, most probably it will get you an error message and throw out you. Okay, that automatically throws you an error. And in between, you can apply for to this column also by making alter command, like a alter space column name and a set not null. That column will automatically set as a not null. Okay. Now let's see here. If I send a data with the product ID also, here what I have to do here, column I need to write product underscore ID. Remove this by default it will comes by default. And the product code, what I'm specifying here, it is the integer now. Some number I am going to get the product. Now see here, the query will execute successfully. Data will be inserted, returned and inserted data successfully. We'll see under our new window. See now here, one product ID and apple. Whenever you are applying not null, all you have to concentrate about to whether which is the column is applicable with the not null constraint or not. If it is applied, you have to pass the insert parameter to the data to be insert that particular column. Otherwise, you have to set as a default value to that particular column. Hopefully, you got it about not null constraint and why we are required to use not null and why we need to pass the parameter to maintain the not null constraint to avoid errors and repetitively. Especially not null, why we require to use any unique identity from the user or from the row we are taking from that particular data transaction. Especially will place at a not null constraint. We are applying the not null constraint over there. That is very much important and hopefully you got a good idea about this. Thanks for watching this session. Thank you.